Alright guys, so just as I love doing, I like showing you one or two moves at a time so that you gain mastery over that particular move and apply it to your song in a creative approach, or with a creative approach rather. So I have more I want to show you in the song, because this song helped me back in the days, especially learning whole keys. No Weapon by Fred Hammond in the key of A flat major. Remember the key of A flat major has 4 flats as its key signature, which means A flat, D flat, D flat, and E flat are the only flats in this key, and you don't call them with the sharps. I hope you get the point. So back to the move I want to show you. I just want to show you that walk up I did from the 2 down to the 1, which is one more time. So what did I do? On my left hand, sorry, let me start with what led me to the 2. Yeah. So we did F, B flat, C, then we landed on the 2. And on my left hand, I'm playing B flat, F, B flat. On my right hand, I'm playing D flat, A flat, and D flat. Okay. Then for the 3, on my left hand I'm playing C, A flat, and D flat. On my right hand I'm playing E flat, B flat, and E flat. But what I'm doing with my pointer there, I'm kind of grazing. That's on my right hand. I'm grazing from that A flat before I hit that B flat. Hope you get a point. So that's for the 3. So let's go again. So this for the 4, and on my left hand I'm playing D flat, A flat, and D flat. On my right hand I'm playing F, C, and F. But I'm still grazing with my pointer again from that B flat to the C. Just kind of give it that extra feel. Okay. Then for the 5, watch this very closely because there's a little trick. So let me do it slowly. So it's just my left hand that is moving, and these fingers in the middle, that's my pointer, and this middle finger on my right hand that's moving. So from the 4, then I kind of did D flat down to C. Then as I'm landing on that B flat, my left hand plays the 5. Okay, so the 5 is E flat, B flat, and E flat. So let me do it one more time. Okay, when you do it fast, that's when the beauty comes out. But slowly. Okay, then that's 6, 7, 1. So on my left hand I'm playing, for the 6 on the left hand I'm playing F, C, F. On my right hand it is A flat, E flat, and A flat. But I'm slurring, or I'm grazing that D flat with my pointer, just as I have been doing for the other chords. So I'm slurring or grazing from the D flat to the E flat with my pointer on the right hand. And for my 7, on my left hand I'm playing G, E flat, and F. On my right hand I'm playing B flat, then F and B flat. I'm also grazing from that E flat with my pointer on my right hand. Okay, I'm grazing from that E flat to the F. So for this 1, this is the 1 chord which I Got to. On the left hand, I'm playing A flat, E flat, A flat. I can also use my thumb and just stretch to hold the B flat together with the A flat there. Then on my right hand, I'm playing C, okay, C, G, and F. Sorry, C, G, and C. Okay, but I'm grazing that F with my pointer to the G. So F graces to the G as I land on this one chord. Hope you get the point. So let me play the whole move again. One more time. Hope you get it. Thank you.